Are you having trouble moving on because somebody somewhere has treated you badly? You're in that box of anger, arrogance, negativity. Come out of that box because you're consumed and contained in that box in suffocation. It will not help you or the person who wronged you. Because Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam clearly said that the bravest among you is the one who controls their anger. So if we are angry with a group of people, any kind of relationship, workplace relationship, or the family relationship, move on. Because Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's legacy tells us about the Rahmah. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala enabled him to overpower many people with his ihsan and akhlaq. That's an amazing example for us to follow, because arrogance is never the response of arrogance. Bad attitude is never, never is the response of bad attitude. You are better than others. If you think somebody wronged you and that person is not the right person, move on with positivity. Exposing somebody else's bad behavior is not the way to go. The best thing is to compose yourself so others are not wronged by you. So others do not take the heat of your anger and your arrogance. Because Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam clearly said that if you have even the slightest particle of arrogance in you, you will not smell the Jannah. Think about positivity, because the life is too short and we are tested every single day.